All right, so I ran into my first problem with this retrofit kit or replica kit, whatever you want to call it. They supplied these ceramic pads and honestly, they barely break. I don't leave any dust, which is nice. I should be able to just pick up OEM Touareg, Cayenne, or Q7 pads. I have some Hawk Performance street pads here and they don't seem to fit just on the inside of the brake. So the pad that goes on the inside, it hits the bracket. The rears fit just fine. Front one fits with just a millimeter of clearance. The pads that came with the car, Laokashi, go in. They fit pretty good. They actually stop right here. But my problem is these OEM pads for Cayenne Turbo only go in that far because they're hitting this bracket right here. Seems to be fine. Otherwise, like this is what it should fit in. It just has enough clearance where it's not hitting this front cap. So the options were to shave down the bracket, which is already sketchy because the holes are very close to the edge, or try to mimic this pad shape. You can see these little fingers are what is hitting the bracket. It's like a little bit longer. The rears are exactly the same. I mean, they're identical. They fit in perfectly. I didn't have to modify anything. It didn't hit a bracket. You can see they're flat here too. So if it was hitting the bracket, I mean, there'd be some other problems. Well, here goes nothing. I'm gonna try to use this flap wheel on a grinder. See if I can kind of mimic this shape here. All right, it looks like that worked. I have my own brake pad shape going on here. Just enough clearance, I think. Might need to shave a little bit more off, but it's looking closer to what was in there. And just like that, we're back in business. So everything seemed to fit pretty decently. For OEM, I put in, it was either Cayenne Turbo or Touareg. The rears are all the same pad size. I think it's like a 350 millimeter rotor. And then the fronts, you have to pick 350 because there's a couple different options. You can get a 330 and maybe a 320 or 340, something random. But I picked the 350, which this rotor is a 362, and it seems to be perfect fit. So the only thing I had to shave was those little fingers off of the inside pad for the front on both sides, just because of this bracket. Time to bed these bad boys. All right, let's check it out. We're going about 50. Not bad. More importantly, we're partying. Also, side note, the new 12 volt update works with iPhone 17 now, and I figured out how to get my reverse camera back. I had to go into settings, car setting, reverse camera, aftermarket 360, and reverse condition parking key. Oh, and I got a new shift boot. We're really we're really swading it up in here. All right, before I go, forgot to say, I sent my wheels out to get triple chromed. I think they turned out really good.